Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam and this is Autumn Twist Encore Azaleas in 2 minutes. Autumn Twist is actually my favorite Encore Azalea. This is one that has the bicolor flower, but it also gets solid purple flowers, and it can happen on the same plant. And as we look across this group, that's what these are doing. I'm at Bracy Nursery in southern Louisiana today doing some videos. They have an entire field of Encore Azaleas here that are in bloom. Autumn Twist is a vigorous grower. It can reach 4 feet in height and 4 feet in width. In my clay soil where I'm at, I have to mound these up some for sure, and I'd mound them up no matter where you were planting them. Azaleas like moist, well-drained soil, so mounding them up and keeping the crown above the grade is a good idea. They need to be mulched, but I wouldn't mulch them super crazy heavy near the base. Just have it kind of fade out as it reaches them. They can be pruned after the first flowering in the spring, and then they can be fertilized at the same time with a slow release fertilizer. It's something for acid loving plants. These are definitely acid loving plants. And that's about it. They're pretty pest and disease resistant, especially if they're planted properly. You won't really have any issue. You shouldn't have any disease issues if they're planted up high and dry and allowed to dry out between waterings. And but if you have deer, deer do like azaleas, so use them closer to your foundation or as container plants or something like that if you have deer issues, or select a different plant. Thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of Autumn Twist Encore Azalea. So thank you very much for watching this 2-minute version of this variety. I frequently have a longer version of these videos on my channel that may show me planting them and maybe some additional information that I didn't share in this shortened version. I also have playlists on this channel for very specific needs. If you're looking for screening plants or foundation plants or shade plants, or you're in like zone 6 or 7, I have playlists that include all the plants that will grow in your area. So look for those playlists on my channel. Thanks for watching.